people. We're gonna be stealing.
Alright.
We already kind of started.
Time to feast.
Shut up. Yo, Shrek, stop eating.
Say something for me, bro.
Is this our monkey brother?
Us a pig. Us. Okay.
I think we're going the wrong way. Let's go this way. We totally never played this before.
Yeah,
we
by the
just
way,
don't want this.
Never touched one first time. This is our first time ever playing it.
Yeah.
Never played in our life.
There's a torch over here.
Oh.
I'm gonna leave without you. Stay out. Miners find you. He'd find you.
Wow.
Miners? He said.
Shrek is so tough, bro.
Hold on, let me talk to this guy over here. What's up?
Please, oh please, I am starving.
Yeah, guys, don't worry about him. He's just like trying to mess around with us. Alright,
Shrek is so tough, you know.
yeah.
W's the Shrek, guys. W's the Shrek. W's in the chat for Shrek.
Yeah, even though he ate a pig.
W Shrek.
He had all the food though.
Yeah, W Shrek, guys. W Shrek.
You know he had all the food. But it's okay. Shrek is cool.
W Shrek.
You know well, this game's supposed to be scary, and Shrek, he's probably evil, but I trust him in my life.
W Shrek, bro. W Shrek.
I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah, he ate her brother.
Let's go this way. It's over here. He's not the real one. Alright, let's go.
W Shrek, guys. W Shrek.
Which way should we go?
Over. I see eyes.
I don't know what that is. Probably Shrek.
Shrek is a W guy, bro.
That scared me. Holy late reaction. Guys, just because I'm a monkey doesn't mean y'all have to call me the N-word for the last time.
You're N-word free, guys. N-word free.
I mean, if y'all want to say N-word, y'all got the pass, but you can only say it once.
Oh, yes.
What the fuck?
So the prophecy is true. The ritual is finally complete as
Hurry.
the fellow
Bow.
student stands next to us.
I can't bow, but I
For
can do that.
centuries, we've waited for this
I can
moment.
do this.
The great
I don't have my email
Titan
cooked on yet.
shall awake.
Shut away!
What the fuck? What are these? Uh-oh, guys. Please, guys. Alright, guys, I'm not scared no more. He's bad, crazy. Oh, this is easy. Come on, we could do this. Guys, I know, guys, I might live, but I'm actually glad. Woo! I got this one. No, I got it. I'm taller. See, my brother's useless. This part. Guys, go back to the video and he's here and he has the
Watch this.
backflip.
I got this one. Trust me.
Push.
In the backflip.
Got this.
Not.
I put him as the game master. He's gay.
I carried. What? Okay, are you showing us?
The game master. Oh, what's
Do
happening?
not punch friends.
W Shrek, guys.
Friends did not eat their dinner yet. You tried to hurt friend. Big no-no.
Big no.
W Shrek, guys. That's from W Shrek in chat. I wish I knew.
I will
wish
miss you,
knew.
human.
Wanna be, I wish I
Thank
knew.
you for staying for dinner.
You're welcome.
Good luck on journey of finding true Ratman.
Brother,
Here,
Shrek, how do
take
we
this
escape
mace.
again?
You will need it on your
You kind of stole us
journey.
from our backyard house. I think this is our house.
Alright, switch your character. That's Monkey Playboy.
I only have one life remaining right now.
That's right.
I'm chilling. I'm too good. And that's how it looks at me uncooked. I'm so good. Let's go, chat. Alright.
That's not Halloween. Yes, that's Halloween.
Let's go. Wonder what that was. Everybody laughed at that joke. Alright, let's go. Wait, there's a car. This is a tractor.
What car? What tractor?
This is a tractor. I'm driving it. Alright, come on, let's get out of here.
No, no parkour here. What if I enter?
Hmm.
Ooh, look, he gives a mace.
Hey, don't take it. Dad.
Oh, dang. That was easy. By the way, guys, we're playing hard mode. The hardest mode in the thing.
Yeah, this is so good. We kind of recorded earlier, but we couldn't do it because someone called me. So like,
Yeah, like to go
Took us
the
off.
whole footage out. So,
yeah. So now we're trying this one.
Right now. We're playing hard. The hardest one.
Yeah, come on, come here. Let's go over here. Pretty sure. Chainsaw. There, I think the other part. Remember we saw chainsaw over here. I think we should go buy a chainsaw.
Go buy one?
No, go get one.
Oh, was that part of the chainsaw?
Yeah, that's part. Sorry guys, leak my name. Don't leak each other's name. My name's Monkey. His name is.
Wait, this I think the
Hey, don't leak names. What's your name? Choose like a random name, like a nickname. Like a nickname. Like our name's Monkey.
my name is Gangster Monkey.
Yeah, he's the gangster monkey. I'm Monkey, cause you know I'm actually a real monkey.
Call me G Monkey.
Yeah, G Monkey.
What would I call you? G.
I'm Monkey. I created the Monkey Gang. So if y'all wanna get Monkey Avatar,
I think the chainsaw has fuel because it says fuel on the bottom.
Did we get fuel over here? Alright,
I saw fuel over here.
fuel over here. Are you ready? Close the door. Just be polite. Yo, that's not nice, bro. Open it back. That's not fair.
Well, look who made it out alive. It seems to me that your task of finding Mickey is stronger than I
You guys,
thought.
please help
However,
us.
that doesn't
Someone
change
contact us and we'll
anything.
figure out
I will
that.
find him before you do and collect the bounty on his head.
Guys, the
With
next
that
person
money, I can finally
that
drop
comments
out of
was
school.
really good.
Let's see
We'll
if
get
you
to,
can escape this.
play
Ha
this
ha
and
ha
make
ha.
And he might be playing on PlayStation this time. He's playing on iPhone right now. G Monkey. Right now I'm playing on. Insane. No faces.
Interesting, you're stronger than what I would take you to be.
I mean,
Well, fellow classmate, until we meet again. But Mickey will be mine and I
That's kinda
suggest
bad.
you stay out of my way.
Yeah, it's just like that's little damage.
I know.
I'm gonna get some health.
Yeah, me too. You took all the HP.
No, I did not.
Oh, here you did.
No, I took no HP. I took like 2. But I put the chainsaw in my inventory.
I'm good.
You're dead.
No, I'm good. I know. Chainsaw sucks.
Yeah.
That,
I need health.
the only good thing about it is like you can do like a little bit of damage. Hey, computer.
We did you not? Oh.
Yeah. Yo,
Yo, what's up? It's
not
Monkey
gonna lie,
Monkey here.
I thought you died. I'm happy to see you again. Well,
I'm not happy to
I'm not
see you
exactly
die.
programmed to have emotions.
You can't see me dead.
Trust me, me and
Anyways, I'm detecting you're here for Mickey. I am unable to locate where Mickey is. However, if you're looking for answers, you can find them in the locked house. The key is located in this very barn.
Yo, just go call
Safe
Mickey
travels, little one.
Watchman, nobody can do this.
Remember last time my girlfriend, she broke up with me because I was too black for her, and she found out the monkey.
I need health.
Did you use all of it?
I think.
No, I think it was me too. 30%.
Friend, he got me. Ricky found me and did this to me for helping you escape. You gotta get out of here and stop him.
Bye.
Do it for me, friend.
Shut up.
I'll always remember you.
Watch this.
Big backflip.
This
G
is for
Monkey.
this is for remembrance, bro. I want to get your head print and my foot.
Yo, come on, G Monkey, let's go.
R.I.P. Shrek.
And we have another monkey. We had 2 other monkey groups. Actually, no, 3. No, 4. I lose track of them. But they're not playing with us today, guys, because they're not with me. I mean, one doesn't really want to be a part of my group. He he's together with my cousin. But the other people, they're chill. They're girls. And chill.
And they're monkeys.
Yeah, they're monkeys. Cool monkeys. Like we love all our monkey gangsters and stuff like
Except
that.
one.
Except one.
Except one. We're gonna figure it out, but we can't.
Which one? Is it empty?
Mickey's over here.
Is it girl monkey? Girl monkey younger?
It's E monkey.
Is monkey that starts with the E or monkey that starts with the A?
E monkey.
Oh yeah, I don't. Yeah,
Over here,
she's rude, guys. Grab the bag, G monkey. Grab the back at the kitchen,
Yeah.
and then let's go through here.
What? Who's there?
Well, I'll be.
Why is it so dark right
You
here?
managed to escape the clubhouse. I've been waiting for you. It's time you learn the truth.
Yo,
Go to
let's
the
want me
kitchen
some
now.
Fortnite? Over here, this computer. Let's do some Fortnite.
Wait, Crazy 90s? Let's I just Crazy 90s, bro.
Yo,
Who was talking?
did the fridge just move? I was about to grab some bananas. I'm gonna check this out first. Then I'll grab some bananas. You know what I'm saying? G Monkey eats like half a banana each day.
Who's talking? Who's talking when we're in there?
I don't know.
You don't know me, and I don't know you.
We each eat 4
However,
bananas, but
we
it's
can
only
help each
5,
other
though.
get what we want.
Some-
I know about your little quest to find Mickey. What if I told you I knew exactly where he was?
Then I'll punch
Find
you
me in
and
the
knock
main
you out and
control
go get him.
room. But watch out. We're not alone down here.
Who's talking?
We're not alone, bro. We're so soft.
Say too easy. Say too easy on me.
I'm too. This is too easy, bro. Is there an upgrade table?
Nope. I need more guts. I need like 200. What about me? What about me?
Sorry, I had a scratchy throat. Alright, that's better. You're looking at my first test subject. I call him Bob. Bob is one of the many creatures that came to our world through the corrupted. You see, the corrupted is not like our world. It exists to only hold the many mistakes of Earth. Discontinued snacks, forgotten websites, or in our case, Ricky Rat. Ricky Rat was made to be Mickey's sidekick, but fortunately, he craved the spotlight. So in the end, they had to get rid of him.
Guys, guys,
It's okay, bro.
you don't have to cry.
Where are you at, bro?
I'm leaving, yeah.
Monkey, where you at, monkey? Oh my god.
G Monkey. All right, now we're in the elevator. G Monkey. You know what I'm saying?
I'm him, monkey. Call me him, monkey.
G Monkey and then H Monkey for him.
Call me him, monkey. Cause I'm him.
Monkey gang. Yeah, guys, we need people to join our gang. We're looking for more people.
There's no max to our gang except 35. 35 is the max.
Yeah, so
About time you came.
we have a TikTok
I've been
account,
waiting
so
for you
if
for
y'all
quite
wanna
some
follow
time
it, you know what I'm
now.
saying?
Ever since your school announced the field
Not
trip.
me, but follow me.
You see, I've been watching you, studying you. It seems to me that you're the chosen one. The only way to stop Ricky is going through the corrupted, something I cannot do. I tried for months. I've lost my favorite thing in the world. The thing that
Guys,
got me
later
out
on,
of
I'll be
bed.
playing on computer. So you know.
Wafflos.
Ready?
A discontinued
I'm
cereal.
playing on computer.
The only way of getting it back is through the corrupted.
Later on. No, you're not.
Anyways, the teleporting process will kill me before Ricky does. However, you being a kid will increase your odds of surviving the teleporting.
I'm gonna have to get a
I know you
computer.
must
I'm
have a
like,
lot
oh,
of
you get enough?
questions.
Laptop.
Well, so we meet again.
Play, like, some games you can't play, but I'm getting keyboard and mouse with it. Guys, I'm cooking up.
this hard mode is easy.
Blessed be the one who challenges me. Shall I overcome thee, you will grant me eternity. I will admit it, you defeated me. You rightfully deserve to find Mickey. Then again, I'm not a fair player. If I can't have Mickey, no one can. See you soon, fellow classmate.
He was rude.
Yeah. Oh my god, we died?
Oh, did we?
We survived.
Guys, as soon as this thing is over, we're gonna make a new video of chapter 3, and we can't make one on chapter 1 unless y'all want us to.
Yeah.
Chapter 1 will be after chapter 3, guys. Then y'all know. Because we can't do it right now after chapter 3, because it'll be all mixed up. But we're gonna be...
Who's that?
It was a little girl.
Found you.
I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Can you show the monkey again real quick?
Sure.
They're not in their monkey outfits right now, guys.
Yeah.
So, Creed, there's a penguin game going on. He's like my friend.
Allies.
And then monkeys. Where are monkeys at? They're not wearing their monkey costume yet, so that's bad.
Oh yeah.
Well, he kind of is. There's more people to it. They're not even online. Well, that guy is, but he's not wearing his outfit yet. And then, we'll show you the rest later.
Bye.
Bye-bye, kids.